Right, my lovely bike that I thought had nothing wrong with it. What's wrong with it, Rob?
Oh, we've got a poorly front tyre. Obviously it's gone flat on one side and then a couple of cracks.
It's a Dunlop, isn't it? Avon's are nice,
Yeah.
so we'll put some Avon.
We can swap that's not a problem. We found
More disc, even I found that.
Yeah, pads are low as well, warped on one side.
Awesome.
And we found a lovely oil leak.
But, I know it's quite obvious when it's up here, and I do question how I managed to miss that, but that I thought might have been from an inner primary seal because it's on top, so maybe this gasket was going to be nipped, but there was oil down here and it actually looks like it's run down from the rocker cover, which is actually a result because that's a much easier repair than an inner primary seal on these, which we do a lot of. So I'm gonna pull a silver lining out of that. So,
and we've got to remember it's an adventure bike.
It's an adventure bike. So
no surprises.
No freebies. And I think we're good.
Yeah.
It's sure right other than that.
Yeah, rear tyre's not too bad. Rear disc's okay, plenty of meat on the pad. Oil level.
Oh yes, it's just had an oil change, we don't need to do it.
Yeah, and it's almost brimmed, and it's a nice, lovely colour on black.
Yes, so oil and filter, which is fine. Yeah. Plus handlebar rubbers, plus all this just needs to come off and go away. Yeah, marvellous.
Sweet.
Right, we'll start on bolting things.
It can all be done. Glorious Leaders drunken purchase. It was supposed to be an adventure bike, but we've ended up with a nice Harley Davidson. I just thought I'd take this moment to show you it stripped down, or partly stripped down. Hopefully we're going to get it a bit more stripped down later today. I've got, obviously you've seen the tyre. It's given me the lovely task of sorting all the oil leaks out and a few other things on the list as well. I'm just sorting out the oil, looking at the clutch for him. And we've got some new tyres. And we have lots and lots of Christmas purchases or Christmas presents to me to fit for the bike. I'll show you some of them later. I just thought I'd take this moment to show you the bike as it is. So stay tuned and hopefully we'll have a nice bike for you to see soon. We've taken the top off, obviously to find there's a lovely oil leak. There's actually some gaskets which are actually on the breathers, so we're going to replace those. We've got plenty of new parts more coming. While we've come this far, we decided just to have a look at the cam chain tensioner. If anyone's interested in how they get checked, we just basically do the timing and just check that there's plenty left on there. A little early surprise, as you may have noticed, there are some new tyres on, and I've gone as far as putting the new handlebars on. Ooh, look at them. So, obviously I'm going to clean all this up, put new plugs in and check everything else. Check down here, look down here. These are all some of the old gaskets and stuff. They will be getting replaced, and we fitted a new rear tyre on as well. So we'll try and keep you updated on everything what's going off. I've dropped the oil, new oil and filter to go on, and we shall clean the air filter as well. So stay tuned and hope you're finding all this interesting.